focusing on that, and school kids has also designed a book to help every kid to learn new skills, which will help them to enhance their knowledge and education. National Educational Policy 2020. Education must build the character. What I have already talked of without going by this, but why this NEP is emphasizing on values, character, because if we are uh, ethical people, we need not to see such type of environment in our society. Why this much policing? Why this much forces are deployed? For whom? It means we have to see ourselves what we are doing actually. Are we ready to be old rules to be imposed upon us, or should we go our own way, follow the rules and regulations? So that is the part of the character.